guys, good afternoon. I see my amazing face for the first time. You are highly welcome. My name is Chinelo Ezeonye, Nigerian YouTuber based in Kaduna. Okay guys, I am out of the house. As you can see, I am heading to my shop. This is afternoon. That's what I say, good afternoon. And I did a workout today, and after, when I went back home, I took my bath. I went somewhere. Right now I'm going to my shop because my daughters are in the shop, and I'm supposed to be going to a market called Bagindogo today to buy onions and waybill for somebody in Lagos, but I don't think I'll be able to do that today because the sun is sunny. Like, let me show you guys. It is sunning, so I won't be able to go to Bagindogo again, and then I wouldn't want to buy the onions and take it home tomorrow. I'll be taking it to the garage again. No, probably I'll be buying it tomorrow and then go and do the waybill before I start up other things. Okay, because tomorrow I will not be going to I will not be having a workout section tomorrow. Yeah, so let's go to the shop, and I would like to carry you guys along. I don't know what I'll be doing next today, but let's just go to the shop. Whatever comes out, trust me, I'll show you. Okay, so let's go. Please don't forget to subscribe to this video if you haven't subscribed. Like, comment and share. Okay you guys, I'll see you in my next clip. Bye. How much be this plate? 500. And 500 I'll pay. You know, sell for me 500. How much last? You know, sell 600. Make sure I'm right. Make sure I'm well. No, make sure this is small one. So this small okra 800. How much?
Welcome, 600.
What that one they buy 500?
500.
Eh?
550.
500. Now two I want buy. How much for ugu? Eh?
200, I think.
Ma? Don't even my they come. I call ugu for me. I don't want plenty. Two don't do me. Yeah? Alright. Call two. I'm coming. What else I did? Hey, God, oh. I know get smoked fish sardine. Sardine no the market. Okay, you know. 500.
I'm sorry to come. You know about that. Why ever go journey? Ever go to fire? What's the ever go to fire? Scan.
Macre 5,000.
Why? Hey, madam, how much last? I see the one where they under. No, this one. How much be your sardine?
Sardine 25.
You know get that way get ice. I pay 3,500. Eh?
4,000.
4,000. Now 3,500 I will pay. I pay 3,500.
Just take 4,000.
I cut and sharp when they go. Cut. No put fish for the head.
Macre. Egg.
I don't take.
Thank you.
Hi guys, this is the next day of this vlog. So I want to make soup. Let me show you guys. I want to make this okra soup especially for my husband because he requested for it. So guys, Yeah, let's dive right into the cooking. So you guys, here are my ingredients. In here I have my cut ugu, I have more crayfish here, I have my stockfish here, I have crayfish, this is no Cameroon pepper and obehe. Here is my pepper, this is goat's meat, and in here is my cow skin. Okay, and also have my salt to taste. So let's dive right into the cooking. You guys, I'm also making macaroni for my children for lunch. Yeah. I want to go in with the goat's meat, the stock fish, and then I'll be adding the cow skin. I'm going to add some salt. And then cover it to cook. In here, I'm going to be cooking the fish separately. So I'll go in with some salt as well. Just a little bit of salt. I need to add some water to the fish. So I'll cover and cook. Go in with the macaroni. So I'll be adding this chicken I have before. Some carrots. Our food is ready. This one, the water has dried off. And let me go in with some water. I think the fish is properly cooked. I'm going to turn off the gas right now for the fish. I will still go ahead and boil the meat because it's not yet served. Okay, so here is my obehe. I want to go in with the obehe, and I also want to take out the fish from the pot and add the fish water to the boiling meat. So I'm going to pour the water in here. So you guys, I want to go in with my no cube. I want to go in with Cameroon pepper. This Cameroon pepper, as little as this, is 500 naira. Fresh pepper. dished out Amarachi and Kosi's food. I will take you to the shop for them. And I'm still sipping on my Ahmed tea. Ahmed tea. So I want to go in with my palm oil. I want to go in with my okra. Guys, my soup is coming together. Let me show you guys. Can you see? It's coming together. I'm also going to be making some of it and I'll take it to the shop for him. Go my way. So I'm going in with our fish. So let me go in with the crayfish. Lastly, I'll add my ugu so that everything will boil at once. Oh, I think this ugu is too much. So guys, what do you think about my okra soup? I'm turning off the gas now because I don't want to overcook it. I don't want to overcook this soup. So delicious. I'm turning off the gas right now. Wow. Hi guys, so I am out of the house and I am heading to Bakindogo Market, the place I said I would have gone yesterday that I didn't go, about the onions. So I want to go and buy onions, half bag and waybill to my customer to Lagos. So let's go. I don't know if I will carry you guys along, but let's go and see how things are. I just dropped my husband's food with him. Now I'm heading to the shop. Here is my children's own. I'm going to also drop their own before I head to Bakindogo. I'm not going to go to my shop, but I will park at the gate and call my daughter to come and collect the food. Then I'll go buy the onions, waybill it before I come back to the shop. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I want cake.
Yeah, I'm sit down here.
No. How much be? How much be onions?
Yes. How many bags you take?
How much be one bag?
Bag. Like this one, last 80,000. Like this one, big and small, 75.
They mix on 75. If only be big one, yes. 80,000.
80,000.
For bag?
For bag. Complete bag.
So this bucket, now how much is the sell bucket?
10,000, 10,500.
10,500.
10,500.
10,500?
Yes.
Basket, how much is this?
4,000. 4,000.
This big basket?
Half for bag.
Okay, this is half bag.
Yes, this big basket. That one bag, one bag of this one.
Okay, this basket now.
Four by different size.
Four of this rubber. 9 day here.
Yes.
That is half bag. Okay. Okay. But it costs so.
Never cost your life.
It costs through.
I'll tell you true. I never cost somebody every day.
You might go buy another place. I go another place, go buy. So you guys, the sun is seriously dealing with me. If you look behind me, you see where they sell bags of onions. Like bags of onions, but I want to buy from here. This is my customer. This is where I normally buy from. So I don't want to go there and make videos since I'm not buying from them, but they don't bother. But me personally, I don't want to go. So here is Bakindogo. This is Bakindo. This is where they sell onions specifically and other things. I also bought pepper and shombo, but that is for my own use. So that is the update right now. I'm buying half bag. They're going to share one bag for me. Yeah. Baba, come give me now. They hurry. Say you say go share one bag. Oh, yeah, share now, beg. Man, can I pop? You guys, I've just finished from the market. I'm heading straight to the park. Like, I'm trying to trace this road. I don't know this road so well. But from the market where I got these onions, it is the nearest way to where I'm heading to. Like, okay. So you guys, let's go. I bought half bag of onions for 35,000. A bag is sold for 70,000 naira. Okay. I also bought onions for myself. That big paint rubber, I bought it for 9,000 naira instead of 10,000 naira. I also bought pepper, a rubber of pepper for 6,000 naira, and I bought a rubber of sweet potatoes for 2,500 naira. So that was all I got. And yeah, let's go to the park. I hope to carry you guys along. Like how tired I am, I just hope I'll carry you guys along. Bye. At the car park right now, I'm about to go inside. I can see just one motor with a lot of people here and loads. I just hope there'll be chance for these onions. Like, so that is the motor that I'm going to use. I'm using silver motor.
I told you the price, but you go there for 3,000.
You always say 10,000. What did I do?
8,000. 8,000.
That is on the high side. 8,000 to maybe these onions.
Before. I said that before. This onion.
Everyone on there confused like me. Even a stress for me. Guys, I am done from here. I'm going to my shop. My battery is about to go down, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, I want to officially end the video right here. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and let's be one family. I will see you in my next video. Okay, bye.